Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to our representative lecturer Encik Hasanuddin bin Hassan and all my fellow friends. Before I restart the presentation, let me introduce myself first. My name is Nuriza binti Gazman. My matric number is A20A1870. I'm from class AFT 1023 Fundamental of Management from L4. Today I would like to present about T-Life Company. T-Life was introduced on 17 February 2017 by Brian Low, who is a Chief Executive Officer CEO at the Lock Holdings Sdn Bhd. He launched the brand at the Pavilion KL store. T-Life was previously known as Cha Time, a Taiwan brand that specializes in tea beverage. Cha means tea in Chinese, so Cha Time means tea time. Therefore, today Cha Time Malaysia has officially been replaced with T-Life. While CEO Brian Low has a cool image and sociable character, he has amazing modern management skill in operating the company. With a passion for mentoring upcoming business talent, he has expanded his food and beverage empire from a startup into a full-blown enterprise. CEO Brian Low has made a modern tea culture through honesty, teamwork, entrepreneurship, and innovation. What is management? Management is the process of getting done effectively and efficiently and through other people. A process to refer a set of ongoing and interrelated activity. Management also the process of dealing with or controlling things or people. Management is also the process of designing and maintaining an environment in which individuals can effectively achieve select goals through teamwork. Management is the driving force for the smooth to the progress and profitability of the business. The survival and success of the organization depends to the large extent on the quantity of management. Good management requires a true understanding of the principle and practice of management. Management also aims to ensure that the organizational goals of a company are achieved. Therefore, to be an effective manager, you need to develop a variety of skills including planning, communication, leadership, and organizations. For management function, T-Life Company. Management functions are a method of doing things in a systematic manner. Management is a term used to emphasize that all managers, regardless of their skill level, perform certain interrelated tasks in order to accomplish their objective. Originally recognized as 5 elements by Henry Fayol, there are now 4 commonly accepted management functions that encompass this necessary skill, which is planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. Planning is the first of the management function. Planning is also a process that requires mastery of the intended purpose to be done immediately, the most appropriate action that needs to be taken at all levels of the organization to achieve the organizational goals. Planning is a making regarding the goals and setting for the future course of the actions from a set of alternatives to reach them. The plan helps to maintain managerial efficiency as it acts as a guide for future activities for the employees. Next, Brian Low said it has a business plan in place, so that's all the company's plan for the tea beverage brand can be achieved according to the usual period in the mall. It also aims to 40 T-Life stores every year. In addition, he also wants to penetrate the market at petrol stations, and so far he has 30 T-Life brands at several major petrol stations across the country. In addition to shop, petrol stations, and public transport hubs such as LRT and MRT stations, they want this T-Life Company to be famous everywhere. Various planning used by this T-Life Company to further develop its business. Organizing is a management function that comes after planning and is concerned with being able to identify task position, job responsibility, and communication between authority and data in order to achieve the organization goals. Organizing can be described as the process of bringing predetermined plan closer to fruition. Following the development of objective and strategy, a manager's managerial role is to organize human resource and other resources defined as required by the strategy to achieve the target. The business employs over 2,000 people and operate over 300 stores. The organization of T-Life Company starts from the bottom first before he made a progress. For example, CEO Brian Low introduced T-Life as a brand that brought tea drink to the next level. He introduced one by one the menu created without husk. The T-Life Company also organized a good organizational strategy to ensure that the brand is always known for the best tea drink at the moment. With the diversity of new organizations within the T-Life Company, they are able to thrive around the world. Leading is the third of management function. Leading entails motivating and encouraging workers to accomplish organizational objectives. Individual workers, teams, and organizations are examples of entities that can be managed rather than activities. While manager can lead their team by issuing order and guiding them. Good managers usually engage with their employees by using leadership skills to encourage, inspire, and motivate them to perform at their best. Leading is influencing and prompting the member of the organization to work together with the interests of the organization. Lock Holdings Sdn Bhd will always ensure its employees carry out their duties to achieve the company goals. In company management, leader must lead all team and instruct employee to do their part with orderly division of tasks and not require unwelcome problems. Controlling is the last of the management function. Controlling is the process of evaluating and adjusting a plan's implementation to ensure that the organization goal is met. They will conduct performance review and offer input to workers, including constructive feedback on what they are doing as well as suggestions for change. Controlling is also the measuring, comparing, and correcting the organizational activity, which are performed for achieving the goals and objectives. Control activities usually want to see the achievement or result of action taken to achieve a goal. The company also have a very large number of employees, and the number of each shop is also found everywhere. With a volume like this, it will present the biggest challenge in managing his company. Brian Lowe has to control all management assigned by his employers so that everything runs smoothly. Brian Lowe often practices a culture of teamwork among his staff. He is also so passionate about guiding and controlling upcoming business talent. He has grown his food and beverage empire from scratch to become a well-known company. Who is the top manager at Lock Holdings Sdn Bhd? Brian Lowe is the top manager, who is a chief executive officer (CEO) at the Lock Holdings Sdn Bhd. Brian Lowe grew up in Perlis. His parents owned an air conditioning business that operated out of a short lot that they live in. Brian Lowe started the business when he was 24 years old, and now he has turned 31 years old. Brian Lowe is a Malaysian entrepreneur and the previous major franchise owner for the Chatime brand in Malaysia, but his contract was terminated prematurely by the franchise even though there are still 24 years left. He is the CEO of the fast-growing beverage brand in Malaysia and the fast-growing Chatime franchise in the Asian regions. Brian Lowe was the winner of the Best Master Franchise Award in 2012 and was named the Emerging New Entrepreneur of the Year at the Best Entrepreneur of the Year Award in 2013. He earned a degree in biotechnology from Monash University in Melbourne, Australia. 10th role top manager perform in organization. Interpersonal role. For the interpersonal role has three types. Firstly, figurehead. As a manager, you have social, ceremonial, and legal responsibility. It is believed that you will serve as an inspiration to others. People look up to you because you are figurehead of authority. For example, CEO Brian Lowe performed formal and symbolic roles such as greeting official guests, signing legal paper, and others, as the head of an organization or business unit or strategy department. Next, leader. Leader who is a direct and motivate subordinates such as training, counsel, and so on. This is where you provide the team, your organizations, or even the whole company with leadership, and it is where you handle everybody in the group performance and responsibility. For instance, CEO Brian Lowe has a cool image and sociable character. He actually has amazing modern management skill in operating the company. Lastly, license. Manager must communicate in external and internal context. On behalf of the company, you need to be able to successful network. For example, Brian Lowe has to perform the function of motivation, communication, encouraging, team spirit, and the like as the leader of the organization or unit. In addition, he must coordinate the activity of all his subordinates, which involves license activity. Therefore, manager must have a communication relationship with employees. Informational role. Firstly, monitor. In this role, you regularly seek knowledge about the company and industry, searching for relevant environmental change. You also keep an eye on your staff both in terms of their productivity and their well-being, as CEO Brian Lowe has done with his food beverage empire, which he has grown from a startup to fulfill enterprise. Next, Brian also pays attention to our customer service, how customers respond to their drink and service. Customers' feedback is very important to him for him to be interested in customer. Next, disseminator. This is where you communicate potentially useful information to your colleagues and your team. Disseminator is managed pass some of the pre-laid information directly to his subordinate. Manager disseminator information gathered from a variety of sources and through a variety of means. However, Brian Lowe directly communicates his information to subordinate, peers, and superior. He gathered this information from this environment within his own organization. Lastly, spokesperson. Spokesman is a manager used required to speak on behalf of the organization and transmit information of organization plans. In an organization, usually a manager plays a role of a spokesperson. A spokesperson will present an organization and convey messages from its organization effectively. A spokesperson has high credibility, and when faced with various questions from various parties about his organization, he is able to answer well and the answer is acceptable. Decisional role. Decisional role have four types. Firstly, entrepreneur. A manager must be able to make change and change for the advancement of the organizations. The role of the manager here is to solve problems and generate new ideas and their application in the organizations. Manager must open up the future of the organizations, create improvement project and improve quality and productivity. For example, Brian Lowe has added the best menu for his customer. Secondly, disturbance handler. Every organization must encounter problem and obstacle in its operations. When a problem or obstacle occurs, the manager must be responsible for resolving it. And if there is a conflict between his team member, the manager must mediate and find strategic alternative to resolve the conflict. For example, employer strike, declining sale, major customer bankrupt, and others. Thirdly, resource allocator. A manager also acts as a resource divider, determine where this resource must be allocated to get the best result. The resource mentioned here can be fund, manpower, material, machinery, and other resources. Managers should have an open policy and allow subordinates to express opinion and share their experience. Brian needs to open up opportunities for any employers to give suggestions in innovating their own ideas. Lastly, negotiators. A manager is also consultant, participating in negotiations with outsiders to fight for the business interests of his company. Organizational negotiations is to gain an advantage for its own unit. T-Life aims to penetrate the Japan market by the end of the year through the partnership with Gifty Inc., based in Tokyo. Brian Lowe was to grow the T-Life brand as a global brand by consulting with him. So, Brian Lowe announced the T-Life Gifty collaborations. Innovation is important to CEO Brian Lowe's job. Innovation is a method of finding a way to produce a better product or service, either through modification or improvement. It is the result of the incorporation of creative and innovative ideas in aspects of work that can improve the quality and productivity of the organizations. Innovation of important CEO Brian Lowe's job because he wants the company to be progressive, where the destination is clear enough that anyone who joins at any time can follow the journey while giving their best. Brian Lowe's mission is to make T-Life its leading lifestyle tea brand with 1,000 stores by 2020 and 4 continents and 15 national markets. Brian also hopes to penetrate markets including Japan, Indonesia, Myanmar, Mongolia, and the United Arab Emirates. Therefore, the business world is very closely related to creativity and innovation. Without creativity and innovation, a business organization will remain static without any innovation and change. An innovation made by Brian Lowe for his company, T-Life, is that he has created Malaysia's first strawless reusable bubble tea cup. This innovation cup serves as an interior space that stores topping on the top of the customer water for drinking. This allows the topping to flow from the cup to the mouth smoothly even without using a straw. It is made from food-grade ingredients, but he can help to reduce the waste of topping because the topping flows along with the T-Life water during sipping. The innovative cup is easy to clean and can even reduce the rate of straw consumption in the country. In addition, he innovated on draft byway by using transportation to order and buy this T-Life water. One of the latest examples is T-Life unit street store design allow them to open store in an area of just 600 to 1,000 square feet at petrol stations and 1,000 to 1,500 square feet at LRT stations. Despite having this small and limited store size, T-Life was able to deliver over 1,000 drinks to customers in short 4 hours on their lunch day. This smart innovation can help T-Life fight high rentals and waste costs in two of biggest challenges faced in the company's organizations. Next, Brian Low also made new innovation by creating bubble tea flavor ice cream. This is because to attract more customers who are interested in bubble tea to try the ice cream. Brian Low teamed up with Wall Ice Cream Company to produce this ice cream product together. This ice cream is also the latest ice cream produced by T-Life in collaboration with the famous ice cream brand Walls. However, this ice cream is a little different from other ice cream because it has bubble tea that will attract more bubble tea fans. This ice cream is very affordable for all customers and will even taste the real pleasure of bubble tea. Lastly, Brian Low also forged a collaboration relationship with the Mami Company to create new flavor Maggi for consumers. Brian Low's new innovative idea was accepted to work together. He created Maggi Mami flavor bubble tea which has two flavors, which is hot and cold. The Maggi also contains bubble tea and will even make bubble tea fans interested in buying this Maggi in the market. Thus, various innovations were created by Brian Low to satisfy bubble tea fans. Therefore, all the innovations made by Brian Low, founder and chief executive officer of Lok Holdings Sdn Bhd, is very unique and effective for tea lovers. This has further enhanced the T-Life brand across the country. Explain how technology changed the manager works today. Technology has changed function manager today by making their company process highly integrated and more organized. Technology advances have reshaped organizations to be more organized and systematic, especially applies to small and medium enterprises that are just starting a business. Small business like any other need technology because they are run by a few people. Technological development have allowed this organization to conduct their activities seamlessly more effectively than ever before. Nowadays, technology is very important in all aspects, including in an organization. There are various examples of how technology is changed the work of management. Among them is an introduction of information technology. This technology has changed the way human resources are managed. For example, the use of manual file has shifted to computer system. As a result, it can facilitate salary financing as well as information about employers can be obtained quickly and quickly. In addition, information technology in management can help an organization communicate more widely, especially organizations can conduct business with foreign organizations that require information to be sent and obtained immediately. In addition, technology helps companies to keep business safe. At all times, a company workplace requires a high level of protection for healthy operation. In doing so, technology plays an important role. It offers end-to-end encryption of hardware and software-based data so that it can be retrieved and read only by registered parties. Fingerprint and facial recognition features give extra protection to the device in the office. In conclusion, many technologies have a positive effect on managers to develop a company to be more advanced. This technology provides many benefits to managers in managing a company well. Therefore, technology helps an employers to work more easily and in orderly manner. In conclusion, from this assignment, we are able to know how T-Life were in ups and downs through their journey to success. T-Life have a good management and have a good relationship between their leaders and team. Also, Brian Low teach us how to be a good leader toward their team. As a leader, we have to respect each other. Brian Low treat his team with full of respect even he had to face issues with Lakafa and Chatai. But Brian Low is still do the best to serve his team with respect and put it together. Besides that, T-Life also create value for the customer through application of marketing variable. The additional service such as online order service and delivery service convenience for customer. Besides, T-Life also good in value from product because they not only sell drinks but also food to fulfill the customer's need.